The girls and I just got back from netball. Now we're gonna have breakfast. Shane and the boys stayed home because it was too cold. Breakfast is porridge and toasties. How's breakfast, girls?
Good. Yummy.
Yummy.
Mom.
Yummy.
Mom.
How's your
I always try one.
Did you eat?
Yes, I did.
Oh, nice. Did you eat porridge?
Yep.
Nice. Good job.
I love porridge.
Talofa and hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, we are the BoyTube family. We are a Samoan family living in New Zealand. A lot of our videos are about either food or family activities. And today, we did plan to have mussels for dinner. One of my aunties dropped off some mussels from Coromandel. And then today, unexpectedly, we had a friend that just came back from Tonga, dropped off some fish, and that's what we're going to have. So I'm gonna make some raw fish and fry some. Maybe fry a couple, plus the mussels and the nuggets for the kids.
From the Pacific.
I'm sipping. What are you sipping here?
Hold it. Yeah. Hold it here. Yeah.
Huh?
Look at the fish. I like the fish.
Put the plate.
Yeehaw!
Look at that.
Fill up. Yeah.
It's all the way from the kingdom of Tonga. Look at that.
And what do we have here?
Got the snack bars for the kids.
We're gonna fry that, guys.
I didn't know what this was happening with time.
Snack bar.
We got 4 snack boxes.
Yeah.
Where's the chicken? I don't see the chicken.
Yes, I can see it. And you see it? I see it. Dad, can you see the chicken?
Oh, I have to go.
Can you see the chicken, Dad?
So much.
Hello, I get the fish.
We're making a oka now.
Making some fish of thing in my cat. I see there's bones on it. Where's the blood on it? Is that why is Mom cutting it? Mom, you're gonna cut it now. You're gonna cut that. It's gonna give you a cut of get like him. Mom, he's dead.
No, son.
Mom, I'm talking about the fish. Okay. Put it down.
Yeah, Leo.
Yeah. Put it down.
Okay, I've added hot sauce now. The best one. Hi guys. Leo, say hi. Go to 160.
Woohoo! The taro is ready, guys.
That looks good, eh?
Looks yummy.
Because he said
Yeah.
guys.
It's the real iPhone.
Yeah, Mom.
For us.
One's for the fried fish.
Look at that. Woohoo! Leo, are you gonna eat the fish?
Huh?
Are you gonna eat the fish?
I don't want to eat this fish. I like my nuggets. Please.
You want your chicken nuggets? Yeah, it's cooling down your chicken nuggets over here, look. Woohoo! See, the girls are eating mini gumballs?
This is a gumball machine, but I call it that. It goes.
Got your own machine, and Leo's got his own. Did you finish yours, John?
I still want to finish.
John is eating his nuggets.
They're done.
We got taro,
Fish.
fried fish, and we got mussels. Yummy.
Do we have oka?
I think Mummy already smashed the okra.
Thank you for this food that we're about to eat, and bless the people that prepared the food for us. And in Jesus' name I pray. Amen.
Amen.
Yeah. Good? Yeah, good.
Nice.
See you later.
Wow, this is good.
It looks delicious. Proficiently.
So watching you guys eat makes me want to eat. Now guys, we're having purple taro Fiji taro. It looks yummy. And that mussel looks good, eh?
It's nice.
Oh, what's this part of it? Oh yeah, I can see the bones. So I'm just going to put it out. Another one. I took a minute. We had a lot of fun at school, and we have a new teacher this term. But our old teacher stays with us on Fridays.
Thank you, Dal, for the fish.
Yeah, thank you.
And thank you, Auntie Age, for the mussels. And thank you, Shane, and the shopkeeper for the taro. And the farmer. One. Oops. You want some more taro?
I'm alright.
You're right. Man, I'm so full. Look at that. Yeah, looks so good. Tomorrow's Sunday. I highly doubt that we're gonna finish this tonight. So that's how go I eat tomorrow as well. No cooking for me.
Get on. My new fish because I have all the sauce underneath it.
They're down.
Yeah, you done? Good.
You were gonna eat.
Bye.
It's a rainbow or the
John, what are you doing?
Before we go any further, I just want to say thank you so much to Tom Faleolo, that have donated to our channel. Well, thank you so much for that donation. We're sending our love to you and your family. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. So we're very grateful. But we're gonna end the video here. So we will see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye. Say bye, Leo. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching.